So over here you can see that I have an information right here, and let's say what I want to do is I want to translate this piece of information. In that case I can go around and paste it out and say translate this information in Japanese, let's say for example. So if I were to go around and do that right here, then it takes that particular information and converts it into Japanese, as you can see right there. So now I'm going to go around and say now convert it or translate it. Let's just go around, translate it into French right here, just like this. And once I do that, you can see that it translates it out into French now. And I'm going to go around and say now in Hindi right here, let's say for example, then it simply translates it out into Hindi, as you can see right here. And this is how you can utilize Google Gemini as a translation tool as well, and it converts it out into multiple languages as long as it is supported right here, just like this, as you can see. So that is how you can translate content inside of Google Gemini with a simple prompt. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.